Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a unboxing. I decided, seeing as I've got a channel now, I'm gonna try and look for a New Zealand company and see if there is anything out there. So I have come across, the company's name is Designer Diamonds. It doesn't specify whether they're made here, but it is noted, Lisa did note in her page that she wanted to make sure that the weight and the quality is looked after. So let me just get her so she's in Tauranga. Okay. Hi, Lisa here. I was sick of the long shipping times, buying diamond paintings from overseas, and the unknown in regards to quality. This is one of the reasons why I wanted to offer fellow Kiwis the highest quality diamond paintings possible. Okay, cool. So let's get into it. So I ordered this on the 9th of June and it is the 13th of June. So that is quite refreshing. 4 days. This is the boxing. I've taken off because there was a shipping label on there. So I just pulled that off. So nicely packed in brown paper bag. I like the fact that it's brown paper bag because a bit more environmentally friendly and all of that kind of thing. Actually, it's not actually letting me cut through the paper bag for some reason, so we'll just cut along where it's been stuck. So it will be interesting to see whether or not it's actually made in New Zealand. I didn't want to ask too many questions because I wanted to see for myself, you know. So DIY diamond painting. Okay. It's a very nice box. I really like it. For Daisies is the name of it. And it's a 38 by 48. And we've got what's included. Painting mud. That's a different one. So it's not pink wax, it's painting mud. Right, so we've got our instructions here at the back and then some illustrations as well, which is really nice. It's packed really well, so let's get into it. It's so refreshing to get a box that's not squished. Okay, so let's see. You know, I don't mind the fact that it's not rolled up in anything because it is quite, you know, it's just around the corner really. Not really around the corner. Oh. It's got a felt backing, not the same as Diamond Art Club, but quite soft as well. Diamond painting. And she did say that she's including the legend for me because the legend that they had printed was really small on the canvas. So she was nice enough to actually copy a bigger one for me. So that was really nice of her. Well, we've got the sparkle of the Diamond Art Club on the canvas. Very sticky. Designer Diamond, so I'm assuming that's their logo. It's a bit dark, but I get the gist of it. What is that on there? Let me just see that. It's just a little something. Not the way it comes off, so I'll just pick out that when I get to it. Alright, so I'm assuming it's also going to have the same principle as the Diamond Art Club canvases, where you just leave it alone, it will do its own thing. Okay, so it's water tightness is waterproof, anti-fray, non-ironing, and green. Cool. So if I ever do get tired of it one day, I could have it recycled, which I doubt that will happen. So this is the picture. I can't really tell from looking at it, but in the viewfinder it looks beautiful. I'm so happy with this. So let's have a look at the drills. So that's the packaging date. So I don't know whether they have the date the same way the Americans do, so it's the 2nd of March 2019, or whether or not it is the 3rd of February 2019. Okay. Oh, look at it. 1, 2, 5. Okay, so I don't know what this means. If anyone else knows what that means, yeah, I'm assuming this is 1,000 because it's a bigger packet. But if you look at there has got a 2, and then that one's got either a 1 or a 7, and then this one's got a 5. So it could very well mean that I've got, no, because that's a 2 as well. I'll actually message her. She might know. I really like the way that these bags are sealed. Let's have a look. Really, really nice. Ooh. Got me some AB. So that is 1 for 1. 1 for 1, and that's K. So that is going to be the flowers. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, it's all the little flowers. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so I'm just going to rummage through. So it's just definitely that one. Lots of 939s. And that one. Okay, so I'll continue this in a second, and then I'll add a little clip into that. But let me just give you guys the details. So again, it's the designer diamond. It's a full round with AB. I ordered it on the 9th of June. It was $37.77, and that included the shipping. So not bad at all for a 38 by 48. Let's just have a look, see whether the size is true. I am really, really impressed. Lisa, if you do happen to come across my channel, I am so impressed with this. I am loving it. And you know what? It's true. It really makes a huge difference that I don't need to wait a month to get a painting. So thank you so much. Let's have a look. Alright, so we have 48. By 37.8, so 2 mil, come on. I am just in love with this painting. The quality is just wow. I'm going to quickly count this and then I'll be back with you. Right guys, I'm back. So all the colors are accounted for. I'm blown away. I think I'm feeling about this company the way that the guys in America feel about Diamond Art Club. I'm very happy with the quality. I am extremely happy with the customer service. Lisa has just been great communication right off the bat. No problem whatsoever. I have confirmed with her she does ship overseas. I've also got my ABs. And again, the canvas, it's really a beautiful piece. I don't have anything blue. I don't have my color theme is green, so I'm not 100% sure where I would put this. There is the picture as well, the original picture of what it's meant to look like. Okay, whew, right, I'm out of breath from excitement. Just beautiful. Anyway, guys, have a good evening or good day, whatever you have going on in your end of the world. Thank you very much for checking in. If you liked the video, please click that subscribe button. I am trying to sort out a schedule, and I'm hoping to get that through to you guys shortly. Alright then, take care. Bye.